In front of me is TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by locating and opening Smart Voice Memo app. This one. Now, if you never used it before, hit while using and allow in all pop-ups. And then to start recording, click on this blue button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on the same button. To delete it right away, click on this pin on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. And to end it and save it, click on the check mark on the right. As you can see, my recording is here. To manage it, you can hold it and use those options at the bottom. Rename and delete. To play it, you need to click on it. And from here you can operate those options at the bottom. Transcribed, summary and mind map. Your recording has to be a little longer though. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!